How do you loop a video on YouTube on a mobile device or on your phone? All we need to do is to click anywhere in the YouTube video, so anywhere up here, and you can see it brings up these icons. In the top right hand corner there's a cog icon, so I'll click on that and that brings up all these options, and you can see right there loop video. It's really simple. We just click on that. I'll bring it up again so you can see that it says loop video on. So now when we play it, let's play the end. And it plays again. This is fantastic. There are two more tricks I can show you. If you want to loop a playlist, just play the video in the playlist. So I'll hit play here. And that brings up two buttons. One's shuffle, but this button here with the arrows on the left, that's loop. So that will loop all the videos in the playlist. Here's another trick. If you want to loop a tiny portion of the video, so maybe just a little clip, underneath the video there are these buttons that you can scroll across. We're going to click on the button marked clip so we can use the blue handle for the beginning of the clip and the end of the clip. All we need to do now is give the clip a name and hit save. And right here are all my other YouTube tips and tricks.
Can you please help my dad get to 1 million subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks. Bye. Can we have dinner now?